So, if your external hard drive here is not showing up in your computer, well, there are a few things that you need to do here. Now, first things first is you need to do the basics. So, I'm assuming here you tried a few things here, like for example, making sure your USB is properly plugged in, and also make sure, like for example, you have an external hard drive, well, that or whatever that not a USB but an external hard drive here, an actual hard drive, and you have this connected in USB. You need to make sure that the USB cable itself is working. So make sure to check those first. But if those are not working, you've already checked the hardware part. Well, there are a few settings here that you need to check inside Windows. Now, first things first is you want to visit the following setting. So that's going to be the disk partition. So just type in disk partition, open it up. Now, inside disk partition, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and access the pop-up. So if this is the first time you're accessing the disk disk management here, and you have an unidentified hard drive here or hard disk, well, you should see a pop-up. So what is that pop-up? So in this case, what you need to do is you want to go and just select the disk that you currently have that you want to use, and you want to make sure that you set this to GPT. So if you have this on MBR or Master Boot Record, it might not work properly. So make sure it's set to GPT here and click on OK. And once you've done that, you should notice that your hard disk or your hard drive here should now work. Now, if that doesn't work for you, well, there are other things that you could try doing here. Now, in here, you want to look for the disk that you currently have. Now, in here, you should notice that there are like different partitions. Like I have like a drive for Windows 10, another drive for my SSD here. So what you need to do is you want to go and make sure that they are formatted. So you can go and just scroll down at the bottom section here, look for the external hard drive that you want to use, and typically if a hard drive is not formatted yet, it should be grayed out. So if that's the case in here, you want to go and right click on it and choose the option here that says format disk or format, and just follow the on-screen steps. Now make sure that you set the amount or the space to the max value that it can actually hold, and also again use GPT when you're formatting your disk. And also, if you have this already formatted, it's not grayed out. Now every disk should have its own letter drive. Now, if you notice that it doesn't have a letter drive here, what you need to do is you want to go and just right click on it and just choose the option here that says change drive letter and paths. And you can go and just choose the drive here. So you should notice that it won't have any drive in here. You go and just click on change. And from here, you can go and select the drive letter that you want to assign it to. Click on OK and OK here. And once you've done that, that should solve your issue. Now, if none of this actually worked for you and you are sure that it actually worked before, now it means that the hard drive may not be recoverable at this point here. So hard drives or external hard drives actually break over time, especially if it's an old one. Some PCs may not be able to read it because again it gets old. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.